welcome in. Come sit, come stay, what a day. Such a...
Well, here I have what I bought at Dollar Tree and Dollar Store. I'm gonna start with Dollar Store. I bought this pair of flip-flops with the Canadian logo. They are really comfy. I tried them on, really comfy and really thick. Next time I go to the Dollar Store, I will be buying some for my sister for my next trip to Cuba. Well, when they open the flights, because right now they're all canceled due to what's going on there. So I will be buying them some of these because I know they're gonna like it. I like them. So I bought some Q-tips because my Q-tip supply was done. I bought these two eyeshadow. They are from this brand Beauty Impression. I really like this brand. This is the same brand that I bought the blush. That is blush and lips jelly. Really nice for the blush, but for the lips, they don't last that long. But for the blush, yes, it lasts a long time. So I bought these two. This is a gold and a purple. Usually I don't buy this type of eyeshadow because I have a lot of palette there that Kimmy had give me over the years. I hardly use anything in my face. I found that the more I put in my face, the older I look. So I try to just keep it minimal and not to clog my pores or anything. So I bought this black highly pigmented color, dry quickly, last all day, liquid eyeliner. So let's see, it is very good. They had some black and brown. About the black. About this lip tint, I already bought one before. Maybe you seen that video. It was this one. I love this tint. And I went and I saw this other color, and then I decided to buy this. So they have a light pink, almost like this. So not my color. This one, yes, just a little bit gold. Oh, this go a long way. So this will last you very long time. I also bought this for the top of my vanity to put some of my creams and oil for my hair, cream for my face, and all that stuff. So I have another one that I bought before, but it's a round one with the lid. So that one I use it for my brushes, my eyeliners, or my mascara, and all that stuff. So, and I have a lid, very useful. And sometimes we go to the store and we buy this kind of stuff, and it's like flushing the money down the toilet, literally. So this one, I really recommend it. I bought one January 8th. I came home, I dropped it inside the tank of the toilet, and here I'm gonna leave a little video clip. That way you can see the color of the water. Look at the water, it's still very blue. Today is March 24th, and I put the tablet inside the tank January 8th. And sometimes, I don't gonna lie, sometimes the water is almost crystal clear, but sometimes it go back to very blue. Like today in the morning was very blue. I already flushed it twice, and I still very blue. But I really recommend it. I'm not getting paid for this. It's just that when we find something that we really like, we like to share it with the people we love. So I hope you guys can find this, because if you are the one like me that like to put one of these, inside your toilet tank, this one is perfect for you to keep it nice and clean and deodorize. So, but you'll see they still have a color, and this deodorize detergent, blue plus plus detergent. It's good for 2,000 flushes or 5 months. So whichever comes first. It's automatic toilet bowl cleaner. It's like a bar, almost like a bar of soap. This size, and this is $4. They cost $4, I think, but this worth the money because it'll last you a long time. You know, I used to buy the little round things or the bottle, and that hardly last a week. So this one, really good. And that's what I bought at the Dollarama. Now I'm gonna show you what I bought at Dollar Tree. So I bought this Aura Smoothing Rich Cream. This is my first time buying this. It's made in England. So next one I'll be talking British. And it smells really, really nice. I love the container. I absolutely love this container. And when this one is empty, I will be adding some different because the containers are beautiful. Next time I go, I will buy, they have other type of creams. So I'll be buying different just for the containers to keep them because they're gorgeous. You know, traveling size, they're perfect. They're 95 ml. They're perfect for traveling. Now I realize that. I can put shampoo, I can put cream for the hair, I can put cream for the body. Perfect. So I'll be buying more of these. So I bought this keratin oil for my hair. So let's see if it's any good. They have argan oil too. So next time I'll buy an argan oil. They have this luminous serum with watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid. So I bought this frizzy sculpting gel sculpting for the eyebrows. Clean and lightweight. So let's see. Because I put a little bit of brow cream that I have for color, but sometimes my hairs are all over the place. This will be perfect for that. Let's see. And I bought this blush from Be Pure. So let's see if it's any good. I see a lot of ladies that buy these Be Pure stuff from the Dollar Tree. I see them on TikTok, so I wanted to try it to see if they are any good. But I have a lot of blushes, so. And this LA Color Cover and Concealer. So let's see if it's any good. And this Rose Color Facial Roller. You know, to do a little bit of massage on my face. And this Dual Eyeshadow from Be Pure. I don't know what's any good, so. And the color is Frosty Lilac. And I bought this from Global Beauty Care Peptide Jelly Moisturize for a smooth and radiant dewy skin. And this retinol skin cream anti-aging from Global Care Beauty. So let's see if these are any good. Where this is. Let's see if they are any good. So that's what I bought. And I bought some Sunny D orange mango juice for Ricardo. I don't drink that kind of juice. I always drink water. So I try to lose weight. So I try to stay away from those drinks. Even before I gain the weight back, I don't used to drink those kind of things. I like to drink water. So, but I did gain some weight eating sweets, and because I stopped exercising for a long time, and I'm back to track. So So this is what I bought today. I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. And please share my video with friends and family and in group that will you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.